Here I have Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, and today I'm going to show you how to take motion photo on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then when you just in normal photo mode, tap on this icon here, and here you can enable motion photo. So let's take some motion photo, just for an example. Okay, so I have 3 of them now, and now let's check them out. So like here you can view motion photo. As you can see, it's like photo that moves. It's like a video, but it's for some reason it's called motion photo. So yeah, something like that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.